Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So beautiful, brilliant black metallic, Santorini, whatever you want to call it, metallic black, F-Pace. Look at the shine on that. F-Pace, 3 litre D300 diesel, 3 litre V6S auto, all-wheel drive, Euro 6 start-stop. 44,000 miles, 5 services, 2 owners, and beautiful. £12,500 worth of extras. I can see the front camera above the Jaguar badge and front park sensors, headlamp washers, daytime LED running lights. Got those lovely 22-inch wheels. See new tyres on the front, all black window frame. See the panoramic sunroof. This car's got heads-up display, power tailgate, space saver spare wheel, surround cameras including reverse camera, front camera, side cameras, rear park sensors, the load covers in there, privacy glass, black roof rails, keyless entry, keyless start, lane assist, blind spot monitoring built into the wing mirrors, in control touch pack with the 380 watt upgraded hi-fi, black and red leather trim, fitted Jaguar mats, panoramic sunroof, which let's just wind the sunshade back. There she goes. Panoramic tilt slide opening glass sunroof with electronic sunshade, S embossed headrests, multifunction steering wheel with electric steering column, paddle change, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, all your terrain response and dynamic buttons are there on the console. Beautiful thing this. £22,695, 44,000 miles, 2017, 2 owners, 5 services, heated rear seats. Got a button as well down here, presumably that's reclining rear seats. Heated seat buttons are down there on the back of the console. Front heated and chilled seats, rear heated seats. Power tailgate, reverse camera obviously, super clean in the boot area, load cover is in there, got the levers so you can fold the rear seats down from the boot compartment. In here, space saver, spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, toolkit. Press the button and there you go, tailgate closes electrically. Got a cold climate package, whatever that is, illuminated metal tread plates, advanced parking pack with surround cameras, infrared reflective windscreen, in control secure, 4-way electric lumbird, powered gesture tailgate, you name it, this car has got it. Beautiful thing. Freshly refurbished 22-inch anthracite alloys with 2 new tyres, tyre pressure monitoring, blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, great spec, beautiful. Black and red inside, folding mirrors. Those are the memories for the seats there. Electric seats, not worn. Beautiful. Electric steering column. 44,729 miles. What a car. £22,695. Drives beautifully. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other cars in stock, probably have more than one F-Pace. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those, there will be more F-Paces. If you'll be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.